Superduplex s32750, s32760 grades. Stainless steel Superduplex s32750 is designed to handle highly corrosive conditions and situations where high strength is required. High molybdenum, chromium and nitrogen content in Superduplex 32750 helps the material withstand pitting and ceramic corrosion. Chemical compositions as per table. Physical properties as per table. Heat treatment also as per table. Superduplex s32760. Superduplex UNS s32760 is among the most common superduplex grade in the market. UNS 32760 is a duplex stainless steel material, specially designed for service in aggressive chloride containing environments and has additions of W and copper compared to UNS s32750. It has very good resistance to localized corrosion and stress corrosion cracking in combination with high mechanical strength. Chemical properties are as per table. Physical properties are as per table. Heat treatment process as per table. And here is the table where both the grades are compared. Applications. UNS s32750 and UNS s32760 Superduplex is used in wide range of marine, oil and gas environments. It is commonly used in the mining, marine, pharmaceutical, petrochemical and chemical engineering industries. Typical applications include flanges, pumps, valves, chokes, connectors and manifolds. Thank you.